All right, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will teach you about traffic methods and optimizing your lead generation campaign. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Alright guys, so we're just going to briefly touch on two of the most common traffic sources, namely Google and Facebook ads, and then we're going to get into the meat and potatoes of analyzing and optimizing your campaign performance. So first off, Facebook ads are obviously a very well-known form of advertising, and they're regularly used by companies for lead generation. There's a variety of formats to choose from, many of which you've probably seen yourself from a consumer perspective many times. There's photo or image ads. There's video ads. There's carousel ads that contain multiple images or videos. There's slideshow ads, collection ads, which can be used to showcase multiple products, and even messenger ads, which are getting super popular these days. The key word to keep in mind here is native. This is what has made Facebook ads so effective. They found a way to make your ads look and feel as though they're just part of the organic Facebook experience. They look and feel more or less like personal posts, like things that belong on Facebook, hence the word native. Now right up there with Facebook is Google AdWords, and the cornerstone of AdWords is their search ads. How would you like to put your ads right in front of people at the exact moment they're actually actively searching for your solution? Yep, that's what you're doing here. You're essentially paying to have your search result placed right at the top of Google's results pages. These are incredibly powerful ads, and a great way to drive traffic. Once you've got that traffic coming in, though, you need to be able to gauge and understand your lead page's performance. So let's talk about how to do that. Here we've got an analytics page inside of our landing page software. We're able to monitor all the basic info we'd want to know about our page, like how many visitors are we getting? How many of those visitors are opting in and becoming leads? What's the conversion rate? What's the performance look like over time or on certain days? Are there any trends? So for this one, we've got a great conversion rate. We've had 281 visitors who have come to the page, and out of that, 177 have opted in through that opt-in form, which gives us a whopping conversion rate of 63%. That's 63% of visitors who come to the page and opt in and join our list. That's fantastic. This is important data because it makes our advertising campaigns predictable. When we're determining how much money to spend on driving traffic, we've got an approximate idea of how many leads each dollar of ad spend will get us, which is hugely beneficial when running campaigns. This data is especially useful down here if you're split testing multiple landing pages. Let me show you what I mean. Have a look at this golfing lead page. And now, have a look at this one. See, they're almost exactly the same. You can run the same amount of traffic to each page and then use those stats we were just looking at to determine which one converts better. And believe it or not, a simple change of the background image or even words in the headline or the color of a button can cause a huge difference in performance. Split testing things like that can save you a ton on advertising. Here's an example of a lead page with a 3-way split test, where the only thing that changed was the background image. Have a look at the difference here. Now, even the lowest performing page still has a pretty respectable conversion rate here. But goodness, look at the top performing variation, almost 80%. What we can do at this point is just start funneling most or even all of our traffic to that variation since we know it's performing great. And we're going to be getting better bang for our advertising buck. And now we know of a certain element, in this case a background image, that appears to encourage high conversions, which might come in handy for future lead pages and even sales pages. So that's it, guys. We've successfully gone through the whole process of setting up and optimizing a lead generation apparatus.